Ever notice your phone battery drops faster than your motivation on Monday? Yeah, it's not just you. Batteries age like milk, but with fewer smells and more drama. Inside your battery, a chemical party. Lithium ions bouncing back and forth like tiny gymnasts. But over time, those ions get lazy. They stop bouncing right. It's like their knees gave out. Every charge cycle leaves a tiny scar. Add thousands, you've got a chemical battlefield. Constant charging, overnight charging, that's like force-feeding your battery pizza at 2 a.m. every night. Heat? Total battery villain. It fries the inside like a tiny lithium BBQ. Too cold? Batteries freeze up like they've just seen your screen time. Streaming for hours? Your battery's running a marathon in flip-flops. Background apps? They're like sneaky gremlins munching battery crumbs when you're not looking. Most phone batteries are built to last about 500 charge cycles. After that, it's senior citizen time. Want it to last longer? Avoid full charges, don't let it hit 0% and chill on the heat. Can it be fixed? Not really, but a battery swap is like giving your phone new lungs. So yeah, your battery's not broken, it's just tired, like all of us. Tap that subscribe button for more quick science from Twiminimate. Faster than your phone loses 1%.